Hey guys, what's up? And today I made a beat like ASTROWORLD by Travis Scott, one of the most hyped up, anticipated, well received albums in all of hip hop. The first thing I did was I pulled up this guitar from X-Band, the nylon string acoustic guitar, and this is what it sounds like. And on this, I have a lot of different effects. I have a preset from Isotope Trash, the dark bar piano from Subtle. I have a reverb where it's about 50%, but it's just the default reverb. I have a tiny bit of Fruity Blood Overdrive. I have some Fruity Parametric EQ to take out some of the lows and some of the highs. I have a Fruity Limiter because it was peaking a little bit. This is what it sounds like without any of the effects. So it sounds a lot better with it, as you can tell. So for this beat, I have two different drum patterns for a beat switch halfway through. And I will show you the first pattern first, and I will show you the second one after. This is the JR Crispy hi-hat from the first one, and this is what that sounds like. Then I have this DT Revenge kick, and this is what that sounds like. The kick didn't hit hard enough for me, and it didn't have very much low end, so I added a sausage fattener to make it hit a little bit harder, and an EQ to raise some of the lows. Then I have this 808 with a pretty bouncy and basic pattern. This is what it sounds like. And on this, all I have is a limiter for side chaining from the kick. And then I have a very basic rim pattern just on the 3. And something that I like to do with my rims a lot and some of my other snares is I like to put an EQ where I boost some of the low mids and the lower mids to make the sound more full, because without it, it sounds a little bit kind of dry, in my opinion at least. And then with it, it sounds a bit more full. The next thing I have is this little fill between the two drum patterns, so I'll give you a little sneak preview so you can hear that. Just a simple fill for the transition. For the second pattern, I have this hat pattern, the hat 1-3. I made this pattern, this is what it sounds like. Just a simple 8th note pattern with some rolls in there. Then I have this basic trappy clap. Basic pattern. I have this kick, very hard hitting. Which I think I have nothing on. Yep, nothing on. And then the last thing I have is just this 808. So I think that's everything. I will let the beat play out for the outro. Please like, subscribe, comment, and have a nice day.